Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my makeup room. Yeah, I have been really busy, and I've had family over visiting, so I haven't really been able to get into my makeup room and shoot this video. So we are doing an unboxing. I have already taken some of the stuff out of the boxes to help get the show on the road. Okay, so the first things we're going to start off with is some products from the Pastel Rose. But before we get started, if you're watching this on YouTube, could you please like, comment, and subscribe? That would really help me out, and I would really greatly appreciate it. Okay, and if you're on Instagram, please consider following. Okay, let's move on with the video. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Pastel Rose. It's some single shadows. We're not doing swatches today. We're just doing products. So I bought 4 loose shadows that I'm going to put into a magnetic palette. And then we have the 2 palettes from Beauty Bay, the Utopia palette and the pastels. We have the Jeffree Star palette. I'm going to go ahead and open her up and let you get a look at that. It is beautiful. There's me. Okay. My Wi-Fi is acting really bad today, so that's what took me so long to even do this. Okay, this is the Nude palette from Colored Rain, and this is what she looks like. This is going to be an everyday palette for me. Okay, then I have the Chroma Be Perfect Chroma Cover Foundation from Be Perfect Cosmetics. I love this brand. They are a favorite of mine. And there it is. And it is in the shade W10. And I like the packaging of her. She's really cute. And then I have some lip products from the Color Rain. This is the Are We Clear lip oil right here. And the other lip product is this lip gloss in the shade, I forget what it's called. Butter something. Butter. I'm sorry. That's the name of it. Jesus. Okay. Next of all, we have, where is it? My Glow Recipe Niacinamide right here. I'm rushing, guys, because I don't know if my Wi-Fi is going to cut off on me again. It's just the weather here today is kind of, windy. It's got our Wi-Fi acting crazy. So, yeah, the niacinamide, big bottle of this. I love this for under my eyes. It's really good. This is definitely going to be a repurchase for me. Okay, what do we got next? Oh, I got this from Sephora for my birthday. It is another one of those Glow Recipe in the minis. They sent me this for my birthday. Thank you, Sephora. This is AHA skin replenisher, and this is just the same thing that I just showed you in a smaller version. Okay, since we're doing skincare, this is my favorite moisturizer. It is from First Aid Beauty. I really like these two together. These two together are like the perfect combination. That Glow Recipe Niacinamide, I love those two together. Perfection. Okay, these I got from Slayfire Cosmetics. This shade, this is some glitter. This is called Hello, I Love You. And this one is Rainbow Road. And this is what they look like. Okay. And then we have some more things from Slayfire Cosmetics. These are their gels. They're jelly eyeshadows. One is an Aurora, and other one is Fairy Fountain. I'm sorry. These are them. This is the packaging. I don't know why I'm not getting no good focus, you guys. I don't know why. But these are those guys. Slayfire Cosmetics. Love these. Okay. And then we have SheGlam right here. I don't always wear black lipstick, but when I do change up, it's usually to something pretty like this. I saw this pink on a friend of mine on Instagram, and she got this from SheGlam. And this was, I think I paid $5.99 for it, but I think I caught it on some special because it's actually 19 bucks. It's actually really luxe, very heavy with a magnetic closure. Okay, for what I paid for this, it feels very expensive. I really, really like it. Okay, these are from Makeup of Mercher, you guys. I love colored highlighters, and I got all of these. Oh, this is a nail polish, my bad. Okay, these are all highlighters, and they are beautiful. And we will do a video of just swatches, but we can't today because, again, my Wi-Fi is horrible. Okay. And then what else do we have? Okay, we have a product from About Face, and it is their black eye paint. And again, swatches in another video. Okay. Right here, I got some products from a brand called MBA Cosmetics. I'm trying to see where the other one is. Where is it? This is one. And they also sent me a nail polish. These are Flake Pigments. They sent me this cute little nail polish. My other one fell on the floor. Hold on, let me grab it. Okay, so these are the two flakes from MBA Cosmetics. And this is a learning curve with these flakes. In order to get them to stick really good, you should use a sticky base. And if you want them fine, you have to crunch these up because these are flake. I don't know why my camera is not focusing, and I'm getting a little angry about that. Guys, sorry about the camera shaking. I got these from Two Feather plugs, and they are so beautiful. They are made out of wood. I did not expect them to be this beautiful at all. I was totally taken aback by these. If you have stretched ears, I highly recommend Two Feather. I bought from them before, and I've always been really satisfied with their products. And I really cannot wait to wear them. I'm really looking forward to that. And I got a lot of stickers here and cards from Slayfire Cosmetics. I spend a lot of money with them. I really love their products. I highly recommend them. These are their cards, stickers, and yeah. So if you are on Instagram, if you like glitters, I highly recommend them. Let's open up. I'll give you the names of these from the Pastel Rose. This one is called Fairy Forest, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of hard to see, but in another video we will do swatches because I just ordered a magnetic palette from Terra. Does so much. It just makes the look go from 0 to 100. Let's just open her up. Let's see. Let's see. Can we do a swatch real quick? Let's see. Do you see that? See how it's moving? This is beautiful. I cannot wait. Can you see that? Wow. Yeah. When I get my Terra Moon, we're going to do a little swatch video of all of them. That's going to be fun. And just, you know, watch the shades transform and change. Because it's so amazing to see how they can just shift and change back and forth, you know. So that's that. And that's all I got, you guys. Oh, okay. Wait, we're not done. We're not done. I thought we were done. We have some samples that I got. I got this perfume sample. Where did it go? Okay, it popped over there. I'll get it. We got the HD Forever Makeup Concealer. Makeup Forever Concealer. I like this brand too. They have some really good eyeliners and lip liners. I really dig it. And then we have the Clinique Take Off the Day makeup remover. I've had this before, and this is pricey, but baby, this stuff really removes your makeup really, really fast, you know. Although I do like a 3-step cleanse with, you know, oil, this one here, I feel like when you use this, I think you can really just use this once and get all your stuff off. That's how good this is. You only need just this. It's really amazing. And what else do we have? Okay, then Huda Beauty sample. I love this foundation. A lot of people don't like it. It's full coverage. I am a full coverage kind of girl, so I live for this. And guys, this is everything that I got. Got everything right here in a box. And with all of those boxes, it looks really crazy. And I had to get rid of some of that stuff. This is the Jeffree Star palette. Again, gorgeous. Can't wait to use that pink one. I'll give you a flash of this. That is the Utopia palette. It's beautiful. This is the Pastels Beauty Bay. This is the Colored Rain palette. Again, beautiful. It's gonna be my everyday palette. I can't wait to use her. And that's it, you guys. That's all I got for you. And thank you for watching. I'm sorry it took so long for me to get this video out to you, but I have had, you know, a guest over, and I couldn't really just get in the way, you know, of them being comfortable to do this video. So I just decided to wait for them to leave after they left. And yeah, so anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please be patient with me. I will have more coming for you. I would love to do swatches of those shadows and the Terra Moon palette, magnetic palette, and the shadows that I ordered from them. I would love to do just a swatch party with those. So you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and I love you guys. Again, please follow, like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great weekend. Peace out.